John Star. What are going on? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm in Negril. I'm over by the golf course. And in this video we are doing something that I've never done before, which is follow Mr. Alton Garden, Paradise Nation, normal boss. Funny you know that youth funny enough. A youth nothing doing really normal. So I'm gonna play golf, so I follow him. Me know him not know nothing about golf, but that's the whole thing. This should be entertaining. We'll check it out.
In slavery.
What's that?
In slavery, no?
What? Just to put this conversation on.
It's in a slavery.
Yeah.
Entire look. Strong.
Yeah, I read that.
They put one of the girls
they call it the buck.
Yeah.
The buck.
Because they want strong finish. The same thing in I think the same thing in Maroon culture though.
Right.
Whenever through the war was on.
Well, I know
I
know it's a cultural thing in this country for a lot of for guys.
One woman.
Hold on, my boss. Zadza. Boss nearly we are sorry about the wind noise, people. So I'm gonna get a little view around the place. So as I said, the Negril golf course. So boss about to take the first hole in one. I said name. Hole in one. Let me go get me 101 as it relates to golf. Because I tell them I don't know nothing about golf. All the time I go teach about golf. How them something now? How them something now? Water tank?
Yeah, those are the water tanks. Those are what feeds the grass.
Alright, before you start, my general, introduce yourself. Who are you, my boss? Delano, good. Big up yourself.
One of the caddy.
And I name Caddy.
Yeah, the caddy is that goes and pick up the balls.
What? Why? Pick up what kind of balls?
They pick up the ball. Golf ball. Yeah,
Okay, my boss.
So if I hit it there and it's lost, they're responsible to get it.
Alright. So I say you knock your ball on the straight for 5 greens?
You know that's not correct.
Hold on. Before you take a shot, tell what kind of, I see you carry a whole heap of different golf stick.
This I don't know much about it, but I think this is the driver. This is what you use to drive the ball, you know?
Drive the ball. So what them are for? What them other one for, you know?
Alright. This you use to hit the ball, and you use this on the green, you use this in the sun, use this on the grass, regular licking.
Lick. Alton. Your argument they want to straighten up in my boss. You hitting it, look like rain or fall, so like you have to go hurry up.
Fire going away, so.
I like it.
Rain a try for.
Like me flap.
Sorry them.
That's some rich man sport them, you know, so we get like a 101. So boss know a little bit about it in golf. I don't want to miss a shot. You sure you stand up right?
Yeah, stand up right.
So where you go pro there?
I don't have it.
Where go?
Hold on, where that go?
Oh, we over there, so you go.
Where that go?
Over there, so.
So you gonna find about that?
Oh,
Me not even see which part of the ball go.
Daddy,
Back in the days, we have about 20 people.
Yeah.
That was in job. Have people. And me I thought they not sick. Because they might eat food off of the ground.
As
One drop,
they start fucking again. They don't worry about no green tray.
You see me now? I got the ban. I the ban as well. I saw that play. Whenever the woman pregnant, there was a woman with midwife. In American, just go and check you. Alright. Before I go job XYZ and know my job and then they deliver you. Because they tell I'm good. You understand? That's a marathon leader of the whole group.
But I think, I'm not just, you can't just blame the culture.
I'm not blaming. It's not a matter of blaming. It's an observation.
We have some things that
But
I can tell you what though. Poverty is what do that shit.
But it also creates poverty.
No.
You're saying poverty does it, and I'm telling you it's causing poverty.
No. Just like in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. So what starting, I thought about ending. We're going to go to it. And then we just have to find the gap.
So you say just go and breed up?
Education.
find the gap.
No, I ask question and I question me ask.
Place to find the gap though.
I'm telling you.
Because the lack of education, the lack of affordable education, even all uniforms.
Sure,
I mean, all
Yeah,
right,
but everything
if you're
else
gonna
is
put kids in
You want
uniforms,
that-
you need to drop millions of uniforms and make sure those kids
All
can
right.
get up and get to school in their free uniform. Not one
No.
that they have to wash every single day, but they need to have 5 in their closet so that they can get to school. And the government should provide them, or there should be somebody that's making those uniforms for the government so that everybody can
as
go
you
to
mentioned,
school.
government, you have so many organizations, we call him
Where camera?
we call him fund, organization like JSIF, ADA, all the organizations that were with the funding, but they always are fund the wrong things.
Right.
You understand? They
I
always
agree.
and they always are find the people and where
Books.
I look simple for thief, if you
Right.
if you run the organization them.
Right.
Not lost, don't touch it yet. Come.
Alton,
People make wait now.
a real golf player then feel insulted right now.
Yeah.
Because you're supposed to have something where you put the ball upon.
Yeah, me not have it.
But then again, I know that's not.
Stand up, did it, stand up.
So what you had? You know like football going on a hole?
No man, I don't say you play, you have to go down there so you can lick the ball till they reach up there so.
Oh.
You can't lick one hole in one.
So it's about the greens that we have to lick it on.
So alright, here we go. I just one thing more you change when you attack. Stop say lick the ball.
The man ain't go for the ball.
No, I didn't earn it.
You only feel lift them, brother.
Alright. So, that was the rookie.
Boy, go
segment.
Tyria.
That was the rookie segment. Yo, come now. Come now, man. You never did fi touch them, man. Yeah.
I gotta go fast around that so. I gotta look back on them little friends. Me can't do nothing about the wind noise guys. Hurry. This is just a vlog. So movies still being shot at JammiWood City. Left Richie and Curious down at that side there. Down at the studio actually. Them a do some heap of editing and stuff. We just get a movie recently. And yeah. Huh? Yeah man, me a forward. Me need you know to link me up on the Instagram because me a write one movie and I need some characters, male and female. So link me up on the Instagram. Link I got there in the description. And yeah, as me say, Negril golf course, 2 little tanker, so I don't understand a thing. This look like one generator. Sitting under the water. Probably it's a water pump or I don't know. I know so them white something there, oil filter and gauge. I don't know what it is. Some kind of pump or generator.
Man.
Yeah, but you see, the thing is, everything stem together still. Poverty, breed, and education, and education breed.
Alright, Curious Gwan.
With the breeding, you're putting breeding in there too.
Yeah man.
Because breeding is causing poverty.
Yeah, I like link together, man. I like link together. When you have money, you always find people who have money.
All done.
Kids.
Where's the breed? Breed up.
Because when they have go for batch. When people have money, they have less time to sit down with idle. They have less time for idle. But when you have time not doing shit and your woman did it, we expect to happen. You have to breed him. Exactly, you have to breed him. So when you have money and you have time to think, say, alright boy, I may have this stuff.
So you have money, Richie?
Eh?
You have money?
No, I mean I have money.
Oh, so that means say. So what that say? What that means say?
I don't have
But
time.
Okay.
Yes, but everything you do
I don't have
is
time.
but
Contradictory as
you're
fuck.
investing your time right now, using as much of you
But
as you can.
people always ask me one question.
Where's the camera, Richie?
I will ask them, say, don't be watching. Look, chat. People always ask me, why no man? Look, chat. You said don't be watching. Don't be watching. Don't be watching. People always ask me, why am I different from most people? You see, when you come from over all time, don't be watching too watching. You see, when you come from poor family,
Them a line up for video, but me just a catch it candid
what you
people.
need is you need somebody to intervene. Like you need
Help from foreign.
not foreign, like an individual. You need somebody who can come in your life.
And
You
give
batch
you-
up on the charge over the man.
give you guidance.
Right. And then that's what
Right.
most young people lacking. I was fortunate in my life to have one good mother along with
So, Mr. Jah Freedom, just tell me what your philosophy upon the Jamaican population and this whole getting together as it relates to family and creating a home, get rid of the poverty.
I think that part of the problem of poverty in Jamaica has a lot to do with the lack of a nuclear family for a lot of children. It's not just poverty, but it's also crime.
So,
crime because a child that grows with both of his parents in the same household is going to have a more balanced mentality in his life, and he's going to be able to, all right, even if both parents are working, one of them is going to come home and provide some sort of, hopefully, some sort of meal, and then, you know, the family's going to get together to have breakfast before school.
And I understand that, not cutting it, I understand that. Good. So what causes the family to not be nuclear in the first place?
Well, the culture has a lot of. All right, we already discussed this, but we were talking about how this is a culture where everybody likes to.
So that's what we're going to say.
Everybody likes to go have fun. All right. If you're videoing me, I have to be respectful. So people are going out and having fun.
Have fun, yeah.
You know, and they're having fun, and they're giving bun, and they're having more fun, and they're giving more bun, and they're getting bun too, and they have bun for bun.
Okay.
And like when there's a whole lot of bun going on, there's a whole lot of babies being born.
Okay.
Right. So you have all these extra children being born, all out of the nuclear family, and that's part of the problem.
I think we can correct that though.
How can we correct it? I think.
Or do we even want it to be corrected?
Well, I don't know that everybody. I don't know that you're going to be able to find.
Can I say something as it pertains to correcting?
I don't know that it's not a matter of correcting it. It's a matter of trying to.
All right.
Look,
you see, you're not correcting.
You have something called like the faiths. The faiths try. I mean it.
How I think things can be corrected?
Yeah. Go ahead.
You have to do generational gap.
What name, sir?
All right. Don't worry about. Don't worry about the generation we're gone already. Focus on the younger generation coming. Because eventually.
When is the generation we're gone? What do you mean?
Like me who are 30 odd.
But we influence the one them we come, so we not worry about
That's why you have to get somebody to focus on school, implementing a schooling with the younger one.
So we get somebody. I don't understand.
Like
yes.
Implementing a schools.
Implement what in school?
The proper parental guidance in terms of
parental guidance.
So we are teach
guidance, family guidance.
But that doing at school. But them do that in school.
You're asking a question and you're arguing with the answer. That's a hell of a way to be doing it.
So people, I'm gonna try and hit this ball over these trees, yeah? Try and hit this ball over these trees.
Well, man, I look me because I feel like the ball will come that way, you know. You're a pro?
Yeah.
Alright, do your thing, you know?
Right.
Okay. Well, Andy, I wanted that one test. I missed on purpose.
No, that was a test. I was nervous. Double check if you're nervous.
Alright. Bet my last dollar. Well, I know over a tree, them I say, yeah, like that.
It did go over the tree, man.
You watch who then can't see it in the video, you know?
Right, let's say go.
Yo, hold on, I can't understand it. What is this? This is fun? Yeah. Oh boy. Probably me just different in the world, man. Yo, that one that look bad a while ago. That shot that look tough. I don't do that still. I feel like I fling out part of me, I swing so every minute.
It's not that thing that you use power. It's technique.
Okay. Probably the part that I may have to use my brain liquid that entice me. Yeah, but don't seem like much fun. Don't knock it unless you try it. But not today. Not today. Yeah, we not link up no girl on the IG, my boss, we had the movie. You're too young to be thinking about linking up girls. No, so they look at you and know the size. You know how to do online school?
Nope.
That's a god. Link up. Link up a girl. Link up a girl and on the IG, my boss.
No girl, you should link we up on the eye.
Okay. Spell Instagram for me there.
Who, me?
Yeah.
W-Y-E.
Okay. Woman need money, you hear me, boss? So figure out how to get some income first and then you think about the woman there. Yeah. So if you know mistakenly ejaculating anyone's daughter, you can't mind the pitney.
Fish.
You miss the hole again, brother.
Ah, you missed the hole again.
People, I am not responsible for anyone's behavior that is displayed on the camera here.
Look at this technique, right?
One technique, boss, I show you.
It's like playing pool. Right? It's like playing pool.
Slap him.
Ah.
Oh,
Miss again. So, as me I say, people, no can't beat me for not when I know that probably a little bit judgmental, but no can't knock my feet. Me just a tag along and me have a video. It's me black man. Yeah. And again, we need characters. Link me up on the Instagram,
You can't play upon your
like the video.
You can't play upon here, so play upon the grass or so.
all done.
If you
Alright.
want my opinion, then listen for my opinion.
Okay, okay.
I'm more than willing to listen to yours.
Ready now.
Ackeen, you in it or not in it?
Money down.
Hold on, curious. That fun and leave it on from your
Turn it out.
Come in, Jack.
Me spectate.
Ackeen, you spectate?
We're gonna use this in another movie, maybe.
No, maybe we have put it in the next scene.
What I not reach far. Feel like me I go back down to JammiWood City, you know. This is getting really boring. No, seriously. I thought it would be fun for me. Probably would have fun for somebody else, just not fun for me. Pull up smoke over here. Place look. Ugh. And then the sun. I mean the sun alright, but the smoke make the ear just hard to breathe. So I'll leave here now. Going back over JammiWood City. I'll probably do the end right so. I don't know. And little more sooner or later. Remember to like the video. Remember to link me up on Instagram. Come back here so I can be a little bit overexposed. Remember to like the video. Remember to link up on the Instagram. Link there in the description. Probably put something on the screen as well. Subscribe if you're first time. Why you have to subscribe? We have entertaining content over here. If this never entertaining, check out previous videos. I say I need characters link up on IG. Yeah, little more. Big up on yourself. We got.